Well, we have some news with our Mitsubishi ASX, and it's not good news. We've had this car on our rental fleet for, I think I'm gonna say 1 week, maybe 10 days. And in that 10 days, it's gone out twice. And the first time was for 3 days. The second time was for 3 days also. And this is how it came back. Damn. So this is the aftermath. Now, the customer has mounted a gutter. There's a tree in front of the gutter. Mounted the gutter at some speed, I don't know. You'd imagine quite aggressive on the pedal. And that there is a tree. And she's smashing into the tree. Now, we're gonna be up for a new bonnet. I can save this panel. I think this panel is fine. Obviously, new headlight, new bumper, new inserts, and a new insert on the side. So I've taken it to a panel beater, and we're just waiting on a quote for that. And yeah, this is our third one now. So when it comes to crashes on Turo, there's two things. So one, the guest has insurance excess. I think her excess was 500, but I also have an excess, which is 1,500. So no matter what happens, the customer crashes the car and I'm out 1,500 bucks. This is the third time it's happened. So 1,500, 3,000, 4,500 I've been out, purely based on excess fees alone. None of my doing. But that's the excess I choose, which is the 90 plan. So you can do a 65, 75, or a 90. The 90 plan means you take 90% of the revenue, but you have a higher excess and you don't get paid for downtime when the car is off the road. So my last car, the MG, it was off the road for, I'm gonna say 5 months, 4 or 5 months. And during that time I had obviously no revenue from that car. But lucky for me, it's not my only car. So I think if you had 1 or 2 cars on there, maybe you put your second car on there for the weekends. If this happened, you'd be out of a car for a long time. That could be a problem. But if you're running it like a business like we are, it's not so detrimental. You know, these things happen. It's all part of the business. Every business has ups and downs. This is part of that. And now I think we could go 5 years without a crash. We could have 3 in 1 month. That's just how it goes. But yeah, that is the process. So from here, it goes to the panel shop. Once he's done his quote, we'll submit the quote through to Turo. Turo then pays us the amount minus our excess, and then I go to the panel shop and get it repaired. Hopefully, we'll be pretty quick. I'm going to try and speed it up a bit this time by having the panel beater do the bonnet, spray paint the bonnet, paint the bumper, and I'm going to install everything else to try and speed it up a bit quicker and save some money in labor as well. So that's where we're at with this one. This is our 8th car. So I'm looking to add another one today, hopefully, but we currently have 8 cars on the platform. 2 we just got back from repair. This one is now up for repair, so we're back down to 7. Hopefully this won't be off for too long. I'm guessing maybe a month. Maybe a month, hopefully. Oh well, it happens.